Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche spinach and cheese. We'll begin by preparing our foundation. Grab a store-bought pie crust. It saves time and effort. You'll want to blind bake this crust for about 10 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple step is key to preventing a soggy bottom, ensuring your quiche has a beautifully flaky and golden brown crust every single time. Next, let's prepare our delicious filling. Take about 10 ounces of fresh spinach and sauté it until it's fully wilted. This is important. After cooking, make sure to squeeze out all the excess water from the spinach. This prevents your quiche from becoming watery. Then, combine the dried spinach with 1 1/2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or Swiss, and season with a pinch of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now for the creamy custard that brings it all together. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of whole milk or heavy cream until well combined. Season this custard mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Next, pour your spinach and cheese mixture into the pre-baked crust, spreading it out evenly. Finally, carefully pour the egg custard over the filling, ensuring it covers everything. It's time to bake our magnificent quiche. Place it in your oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll know it's done when the center is set, and a knife inserted near the middle comes out clean. Once baked, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let the quiche cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows it to set beautifully for perfect, delicious pieces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.